How to switch to a private Pinterest profile. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about switching your account to private in Pinterest. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to go to pinterest.com, or you can also simply launch your Pinterest application on your mobile device. The steps are exactly same. Click on this profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and view your profile and then click on this edit profile over here. Once you tap on it, now tap on Profile Visibility option that is just below the account management. Tap on it. Now you will see the option of private profile. That is indicating when your profile is private, only the people you approve can see your profile, pins, boards, followers, and following list. Anyone who is not following you on Pinterest and you have not approved them, they'll not be able to interact with you or see your content on Pinterest. If you'd really like to switch your Pinterest profile to private, simply toggle the switch over here. You will be given the option to review your followers. Either you want to approve and keep them, or you want to discard them from your followers list. If you'd like to review, go ahead and tap on this review option. If not, you can just simply click on Not Now option and you'll be done. Finally, click on Save, that is in the bottom of the screen, and you'll be done. So this is exactly how you can switch to a private Pinterest profile. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.